Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Griffith, local and long-distance movers near me. When we are moving you more than 50 miles away, we treat your valuables with the utmost care. These kinds of moves necessitate a great deal of meticulous planning. It's also important to be extra cautious and diligent in terms of security when using these tools. When it comes to moving, we're careful and diligent. It's important that you're comfortable and will always show you respect. Our clients may rest assured knowing that we have their backs. Customers put their faith in us because they know we will uphold our end of the bargain. You can verify our reputation by looking at our previous clients' testimonials, and we are confident that the positive feedback you will receive from them will help solidify our services and the excellence of them in your mind. It will also help strengthen our relationship with you. When it comes to our local moves, we charge between $30 and $40. We also are adept at navigating the busy streets of Griffith, which means we can get you to your destination on time and in style. When you're using our moving services, you'll always receive your money's worth. It will also strengthen. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Griffith moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, furniture moving, residential moving, international moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.